Welcome back, students. So let us move on to the first type, that is complaint letter. Complaint letter. First of all, we will start with this one. So now the complaint letters are written to lodge a complaint or to complain against a defective product or the poor service. For that reason that we used to write the purpose. Suppose we have bought the television or the refrigerator or anything there, but later on after a few days that we found there is some defect or the machine or the whatever the thing that is not properly working. So for that purpose we can write a complaint letter or the poor service from the provider, from the shop owner. So for that also we can write a letter. And then we can say the language which we have to use in such types of the letter, type of the letter complaint, that is a very polite language must be used. Though you are disagree, though you are angry with, you are disappointed with the provider or with his service, but still that you should not use rude language or the arrogant language. It means polite language must be used. Then such letters are addressed to the relevant person of the company, organization. I wrote in brief here, organization, dealer, service provider. For what? For the defective product or the poor service. For such people that we used to write the complaint letter. Next, here in complaint letter we need to give some details when we are writing a complaint letter. If you are writing a complaint letter about a refrigerator, about a television, about any kind of the machine there, or any kind of the thing which we have bought from the shop owner or from this and this company or the organization or the dealer. So that time the details we need to provide, details of the product service that we need to give here, details of the product or service. Then nature of your complaint, as I already told you that in our first paragraph that we need to provide the especially the subject, the nature of your complaint, that we will explain here. So then after that it is expected in this type of the letter, complaint letter, that we need to give the payment information. I wrote here in brief, payment information like bill, cash memo number. We have got the product, so that's why here that you can mention in the first paragraph, it means that receipt number, that bill or the cash memo number that you can mention there. Clear? Later on, date of the purchase, purchasing date, on which date, for example 1 month before, 15 days before, 10 days before, that date you mention on which you bought, you purchased the product. So that date and place of purchase or service from where, that you mention, date and place. Later on, the model number of your product. If you have purchased the refrigerator, if you have purchased the television or any kind of the thing, so that time the model number that you will mention there, it will be easy for the next one to understand. If applicable, model number. Next, names of associated person from supplier side. From that supplier side, from the shopkeeper side, from the organization side, if you have any associated number that you can mention here. Later on, compensation or corrective actions required, if any, you can suggest here. So any kind of the compensation there in the place of this defective product or something there, or this poor service, that you can ask for the compensation or the corrective actions, measures which you think should be taken. Later on, any other details necessary for resolving this problem or the complaint. You can ask for example, a replacement. You can ask for that product, whichever that you have or you found that it is defective one. For that replacement, you can ask You can ask for amendment for anything that, or the repairing you can ask there. So it is up to you then. So here all these points that we need to include in this letter, which complaint letter. I am talking about only complaint, not inquiry, not to the editor, only complaint letter. That we are not agreed. For example, we are disappointed about his and her service there, or the service provider organization. That time we can write this type of the letter. So children, this is about complaint letter. Some points which we have discussed here. So the example of this letter we will discuss in the next video module. Thank you, students.